In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional logo using Canva in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a small business owner low on budget, a designer in training, or someone who simply loves DIY projects, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to craft stunning logos without needing any advanced skills or expensive software. Let's jump right into it. First, go to Canva's homepage and type professional logo in the search bar. As you hit enter, you'll notice a plethora of pre-designed logo templates at your disposal. Canva's extensive range of options ensures that there's something to suit every style and need, whether you prefer something minimalistic, playful, or traditional. Take a moment here to browse through the selection. It's crucial to select a template that resonates with your brand's identity, given that a logo is often the first impression you give to your audience. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, go ahead and click on it. You'll then want to select the Customize This Template button. This is where the real fun begins, and you get to put your personal touch on the design. Now, you're in the Canva editor, an intuitive interface that offers a multitude of tools to tailor your logo exactly how you envision it. Don't be intimidated by all the options. The key is to make the template yours by tweaking and modifying elements. This is your opportunity to experiment with different fonts, colors, and layouts. Start with editing the text, click on the text box and replace the placeholder text with your brand name or whatever message you wish your logo to convey. Remember, the typography you choose should align with your brand's personality, be it modern, vintage, elegant, or quirky. Besides text, look at other design elements in the logo. You can adjust shapes, icons, or illustrations to better fit your vision by using Canva's library of elements or uploading your own images. Playing around with the color scheme is another step where you can genuinely imprint your brand's vibe on the design. Align the colors with your brand identity, and don't hesitate to use the color wheel to find just the right shade. Once you're satisfied with your customization and feel that your logo encapsulates your brand's ethos, go ahead and download your creation. Canva allows you to export the design in various formats like PNG or PDF, ensuring that your logo looks sharp across all mediums, be it for your website, social media, or print materials. And there you have it. With a bit of creativity and a few clicks, you've created a professional logo that truly represents your brand. Don't forget to save your project in Canva for any future tweaks or to create matching brand materials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.